Hey everyone, Shane again from BDD's Performance, and I'm here to talk about high idle kits. It's that time of year, we're going to start seeing cold start videos. And if you know our high idle kits for the Ford Superduty series, you're in luck and you'll be excited to know that for the 2023 model year Ford Superduty F250, F350, we have a new high idle kit. Yay! Hear the applause. For 2023, Ford updated the wiring and everything in the truck with new connectors, new pinout, all sorts of things. We developed a new kit to continue the lineage of high idle for the 23 model year. So if you have a 23, just like the 2022, install super simple. You just take this wonderful little harness and you plug it in to the upfitter harness under the dash. On the kick panel, run your wire to this wonderful little switch, click, and then just control your RPM from 900 to 3000 RPM, whatever you'd like. Again, just like any of our other Ford high idle kits, late model Ford high idle kits, comes with everything you need to install, either through the dash or a handy little bracket. If you live in a cold climate and you had the BD kit installed, it allows you to start the truck up, set your idle up to say 1200, 1300 RPM, and get the engine up to operating temperature sooner. So you don't have to worry about the oil being super thick and sludgy and hard on the top end of the engine. This will help your engine live a longer, healthier life in cold climates. Or if you operate power takeoff units, PTO units with your work truck, may be advantageous to have control over the RPM that the truck sits at. This kit will do that for you. Plug it into the factory connectors, factory harness, no splicing required, just plug and play for seamless integration into the factory PTO system. Everything you know and love about our Ford high idle kits for the 2023 model year. Check us out at bddiesel.com, and if you'd like to watch this exact video in Yeti mode, click the link right here.